And
Please just hear me out.
go ahead. Walk me in.
I kind of feel like I did, especially after tonight. So, Layla, I was out.
Oh.
My bad. You first. Go ahead.
It's all you.
Look what I said to you at the party tonight. I meant every word.
Jordan.
Please just hear me out. Tonight reminded me that life is too short. Okay, and I don't want to waste a second of it. I want to be present. I want us to be present, laughing, connecting, pushing each other to find the best part of ourselves.
But we are doing that as friends.
Okay, but I want more.
Jordan, I tried the more than friends thing with Clay, and I ended up hurting it.
Yeah, but this is different.
I dated Asher and Spencer. No, I can't be the girl that dates everyone in the Vortex.
Okay, I hear you, and that is totally valid. Okay, but forget about the Vortex for a second. Tell me how you really feel about me, about us.
I feel, lucky because I found a best friend where I least expected to, and I don't want to screw that up.
Right? Best friend. Yeah.